2012 Dodge Challenger RT here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, two-owner car, actually titled in Texas and Nebraska before coming to us. Just a touch over 100,000 miles on it. Now, I want to note the windows, front glass, know your state and local laws as far as percentage of window tint. 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a manual transmission. Does have a Barton shifter added to it. Also recently had a new clutch put in, as well as a water pump. It's a black hood on white exterior, black interior. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Something you're going to notice if you look close at these headlights. It does have the halo headlights. It's actually an aftermarket brand. It's Opt 7 Aurora brand Bluetooth activated halo headlights. Of course, all your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC. Black wheels, nice contrast with the white and the black hood. And we come around to the rear, you'll see the black spoiler. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust. We're going to fire it up here at the end of the video. Let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay. When we pop the hood, you're going to see there is a JLT cold air intake, as well as a strut tower brace, and you can see that in the still pictures too of the engine bay, which is at uniqueclassiccars.com. So paint shows well on it. Considering miles, you can tell it's a well taken care of. And again, two-owner vehicle. It's not really been in the elements because, like I said, originally titled in Texas and Nebraska. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this interior. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat. And also nice condition. Not really showing a lot of wear on the bucket seats. They are leather. Of course, steering wheel controls. Headliner intact. Let's look at the exact miles. So there's your exact miles. Like I said, a little over 100, 102, 471, and then it also has a Bluetooth stereo that was added to it. Make sure I note that. Heated seats, as you can see down here. Take a look at the rest of this dash. Also nice shape. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Sure, we're neutral here. Of course, push button start. I haven't really played around with the stereo, but it is in working order. And again, Bluetooth capabilities on that. All right. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Nice sounding exhaust, a little aggressive, but nothing over the top. Again, 5.7 liter underneath the hood, paired up with manual transmission. All right, let me pause this a second, pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a good look at the hood liner. You can see this thing hasn't been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Look at how clean that is. Cold air intake, I mentioned JLT. Strut tower brace. So a few tasteful modifications done to this. Like an oil catch can. JLT. Nice setup. Two owner, 2012 Dodge Challenger RT. UniqueClassicCars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.